na-elevate ko ang probinsya to first-class province. I was able to the province to be declared as one of the fastest growing province in the entire Philippines. Na I was able to convince leftists ng NPA to go back to the fold of the law. That's why the province was declared insurgency-free province. Pero when I was able to make province insurgency-free, very friendly na rin yung mga investors. Isa pa, I was able to, in the history of the province of Nueva Vizcaya, nakuha namin yung Mother of All Award, yung Seal of Local Good Governance.